Okay. Welcome. So we want to break down. This is gold. Okay, this is gold on the 4-hour chart. Okay, we want to break down the 4-hour chart. You can see gold was moving to the downside. Okay, forming lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so this was our last this was our last lower high. That is our last lower high over there. This is our last lower high, and then we have a lower low over here. We have a lower low. Okay, we have a lower low right there. Okay, lower low, lower high. So if price technical, so we broke to the downside. You can see we broke to the downside. That's a break of structure. Now if we break to the upside over here, price will have changed character to bullish. Now you can see we broke the lower high. Now price has shifted. This is like a change of character. This is a change of character. Okay, that's a what? That's a change of character. That's a change of character. That's a change of character like that. After the change of character, now this becomes our higher high over here. We'll be having our new higher high like that one, and then this will be our higher low. This one will be our higher low. That will be our higher low. We can see we took price on the upside. You can see we took price on the upside. Now that is a BOS. That is a break of structure. That's a BOS. Okay, and then after we have taken the BOS, now this becomes initially our higher high. Now this becomes our new higher high, and then this one on the downside, this one becomes our higher low. Okay, that becomes our higher low, and then this one after we can let's see we took the high again. We can see we have taken that high. We have taken that high with that candle of it. So this has become a higher low. So this week over here it will be our higher high. Okay, this will be our new higher high. That will be our new higher high. So technically price is bullish until we get a change of character. Okay, and then we want to see if we took the higher high again. We can see we took that high. You can see we have taken that high. Now this will be our higher low, this one over here. Let me show you. Now this one will be our higher low there. Okay, and then this will be our new higher high. This one will be our new higher high. You can see price broke below that area. You can see we have broken below that lower high. You can see we didn't break. We mitigated that area. Okay, so this will be our higher low because we didn't close below. This is our higher low, and then this again our higher low. Let me show you. Okay, that line over there, it is a higher low, but since price did not close below, this will be our higher low again. So if we mitigate this area or above this area, like you can see we mitigated the downside, and we closed below. You can see we closed below to the downside. You can see we closed below to the downside. Let me show you. You can see we closed below to the downside. Now this becomes our market structure shift or a change of character again. Now price has shifted to go bearish. Okay, now this will be our lower low. That will be our lower low, and then this last high, this one will be our higher. This will be our lower high. Okay, our lower high like that one. Okay, now we can see we also took the lower high again. You can see we took the lower high again. Now technically this tells us that price is going to the downside. Now we'll be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, we'll be looking for selling opportunities, and I can also see a trend line. We can maybe put a trend line like that one. No, let's put a trend line. We can put a trend line like that one. Okay, coming to this trend line, we see it as 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Okay, we have 4 touches, and then price has done a market structure shift. So we'll come and look for some liquidity, maybe equal lows over here. We'll mark from these. You can see 1, 2, 3, 1 2. Okay, this will be my equal lows over here. I'll just put an equal low or a demand. Come and mark those areas over there. So I will be targeting that area. So that is it for today. So in the lower time frame, you just go and look for area where you look for sales opportunity. Okay, so if you wanna see more of this, Telegram link on description, yeah, and subscribe. I'll be doing more of these later.